ship? Going all the fucking way. No wonder everybody's going slow.
Yeah.
Oh, this is fucking bad. I don't want to go in the fucking deepest part. What the fuck is happening, man?
Good. Fuck, man.
Look at it on the side of it. I can't fucking believe this. It's like a lake over there. Holy fuck, look at the front of it. I think there's more to it. What the fuck is going on, man? That problem's gonna flood, bro. I get it why people are stopping, eh? The fucking engines. Holy fuck, bro. You know what's happening? All the cars